How to recover Snapchat messages. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application on your device. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then go to setting and scroll all the way down. Click on my data. And here you will see the option of downloading your data. Firstly, toggle on the feature of export your memories chat. After that, you will see all the information related to your data, the storage space that it will cover in your device. So after that, simply scroll down and click on next. Then after you need to choose the time range of which you want to download the chats on your Snapchat account. Once you have chosen the date, click on submit and shortly you will receive an email regarding your download. Once the Snapchat has created the copy of your data, the email will receive in your Gmail account and clicking on that email you will be able to download all your chats from Snapchat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.